We are here at the Royal Welsh Grassland event in Sennybridge and Brecon with the Harbour family, having an absolutely fantastic day. Most importantly, we've had an announcement today by Clear Griffith, Cabinet Minister, who has announced that there will be a review of the overall burden of regulation. This is something that we've fought for long and hard at NFU Cymru, and we're really pleased to see it. And now this is all about making sure we get the delivery that we need to see.
Ie wir, a da ni ail allan o'r diwedd, da ni lawr fan hyn ar gyfer y digwyddiad tir glas. Mae o'n ddiwrnod arbennig. It's a fantastic day here at the Welsh Grassland event to showcase the technologies available, how we can properly grow grass here in Wales, what we can do with that grass, so it's technology, sustainability, and it's a brilliant event to get people together. So it's a fantastic turnout from everybody in the industry. People are here. It's been a challenging morning, the sun's out, and it'll be a brilliant event with a good day had by all.